Queenston Realty. We are at 90 Hoover Ave in Lawrence Township. Let me show you around. We start with the dining and the open concept kitchen area. Don't miss the beautiful ceiling and the beam in the middle of the room. The kitchen leads you to the great room, which is wonderful for entertaining and for day-to-day living. A lot of natural light comes in from all directions, and there is a door that leads to the outdoor deck.